How to add Twitter to your profile on your Facebook. Hello everyone, I will show you how to do this easy and quick. So let's do it. So first open your Facebook, and after that just come and open your profile. Open right here, edit profile, and come to the last button, edit your about information. Scroll down right now or just come here to contact information. Click on edit, and then when you click and edit, you will find this list. Go to social links, click to add, and click here and click Twitter, and that's all. So if this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye. But here guys, be careful, write your account name and click save. That's all.